Yeah, that's a surprisingly common disconnect. It's like the information hits a wall.
It creates such a headache, errors, wasted time searching,
Yeah,
just frustration.
it really does. And that specific problem, that gap, is something Dipali from Diana Solution actually tackled head on.
Ah, okay, so she saw this happening in a real business setting.
Exactly. Saw the problem, identified it within Acumatica, and crucially, figured out a way to fix it.
So what was the core issue they pinned down? What were users actually saying?
Well, it was pretty straightforward. The
Uh-huh.
users were consistently attaching files, making important notes on the sales orders in Acumatica.
Okay.
And they just expected, that when they created the corresponding shipment record, all that information would just be there automatically.
Makes sense.
But the standard Acumatica system, it doesn't work that way out of the box. There's no built-in function for that specific transfer. Dipali called it a gap in document traceability.
A gap in traceability. I like that phrase. It really captures it. So Dipali's team saw this gap and decided to build a bridge, essentially.
That's a great way to put it. They decided they needed to customize Acumatica. Specifically, they looked at the process where you create a shipment from the sales order screen.
Right? The Create Shipment button or action.
Exactly. They sort of intercepted that standard process and added their own logic into it.
Okay, interesting. So how did they technically make that happen? Sounds like it involved a bit more than configuration settings.
Oh, definitely. It required some development work within Acumatica's customization tools. First step was setting up a new dedicated customization package. Think of it like a container for all their specific changes.
Got it. Keep it organized.
Then they had to extend what's called the sales order entry graph. You can think of the graph as the blueprint or the code that controls how that sales order screen functions.
Okay, extending the blueprint.
And the key part was overriding the standard create shipment method. Basically telling Acumatica, hey, when someone clicks create shipment, don't just do the usual thing. Run our special instructions first, or as part of it.
Ah, so they inserted their own step into the workflow.
Precisely. And that step involved using a specific Acumatica programming tool, PX node attribute set file nodes.
Set file nodes? What does that do?
It essentially tells the system, take the files and notes attached to this record, the sales order, and attach them to that new record, the shipment you're creating.
Okay, like a copy-paste command for attachments.
Sort of, yeah. They likely used get file nodes first to grab the files from the sales order, and then set file nodes to place them onto the shipment. Get from A, put onto B.
Makes sense. Was there anything else needed to make sure it stuck?
Yes, they also added a little bit of code, a handler, that triggers when the new shipment record is actually being saved.
Yeah.
Just to ensure those transferred files and notes were properly persisted.
Right. Double-checking it saves correctly.
And of course, the absolutely critical final phase, build the customization, publish it to the Acumatica instance, and then test. Make sure it works reliably without breaking anything else.
You mentioned earlier this wasn't just a theoretical annoyance. How did it actually, surface as a real problem for the users?
Yeah, Dipali mentioned the aha moment, or maybe the uh-oh moment, was when users went to the shipment screen expecting to find specific files or notes they knew they had added to the sales order.
And they just weren't there.
Exactly. That's when the frustration really boiled over, because they had to then go back to the sales order, find the info, maybe manually reattach it or communicate it separately. Just inefficient.
So what was the outcome after they rolled out this customization? Did it solve the problem?
Completely. After the customization was in place, the process worked the way users intuitively expected it to. Files and notes added to the sales order automatically appeared on the related shipment.
Nice. Smooths out that whole workflow.
Absolutely. It eliminated that friction, saved time, reduced the chance of errors from missing information. A clear win.
So for anyone listening who's maybe nodding along right now thinking, yes, we have that exact problem, especially if they're using Acumatica.
Right.
That shows that you're not just stuck with the standard workflow if it's not meeting your needs. Customization is a real option.
It really is.
Okay.
And that's the key takeaway. If that scenario Dipali addressed sounds familiar, that disconnect, that hunt for information, don't just live with it.
Explore the possibilities.
Exactly. A tailored solution, like the one Dipali's team built, can genuinely streamline things and improve that document traceability. It might be worth reaching out to experts like the team at Diana Solutions.
Because this real-world example shows it's possible.
Definitely. They can help figure out if a similar customization could make a difference for your specific business processes. Sometimes a relatively small tweak can unlock some pretty significant efficiency gains. It makes you wonder what other simple gaps might be slowing things down unnecessarily.